BILT is an experience. It's a customer experience. BILT is 3D guided interactive instructions. Instead of a YouTube video or a piece of paper that you're left only with what you see, these instructions first off guide you through the process of install, assembly, or setup. But more importantly, they allow you to fully interact with it, to pinch, to zoom, to spin around, touch things, get more information about what you're doing. Intelligent instructions can also be updated in real time, anytime, so you're never left with old instructions. BILT does such an amazing job of creating a great experience for people that when they finish it, the overwhelming majority of these people walk away saying, wow, I can't believe I did that. It's empowering, it's uplifting. And at that point, we ask for a review. The brand or manufacturer can then take those reviews and push them to retail locations to improve their star ratings. That assembly experience is actually very, very important, because the time people are most likely to talk about your brand by name is within 8 hours of finishing the install or assembly. And so if we have provided to customers a frustrating experience, it has a tremendous impact on what they are likely to say to their friends, colleagues, and most importantly, on social media. If we can take your star ratings and improve them from, say, a 3.5 star to a 4 star, that's a 15% improvement in top-line sales. So not only have we dramatically impacted your profitability by lowering returns and customer support costs, sometimes 30, sometimes 70%, we're now taking that experience and translating it to top-line sales. And that is why brands who don't necessarily have budget to do BILT intelligent instructions reprioritize, because we can have that impact immediately. To create BILT intelligent instructions, we need 3 simple things: the 3D CAD for the product, the existing instructions, and then a sample of the product itself. That information is delivered to our global brand support center in Dallas, Texas, where our instruction designers actually install or set up the product themselves. We use the information the brand has given us and then apply our own expertise, having done thousands of products across many different industries, to create an experience that is so empowering, so wonderful, that literally a 10-year-old can now assemble that product. We then review those instructions with the brand. Once they approve of the instructions, they can be published. If you look at the companies that use BILT intelligent instructions today, you will find one thing common across all of them. These are companies that are laser focused on loyalty and customer experience. They recognize that the time that they have with their customers is important. It's valuable, and they want to maximize that experience so that their customers can use the product as quickly as possible and are able to enjoy that product for years and years. They realize that a loyal customer will come back to buy more products from them. They need less encouragement to buy products. They will tell their friends. These are their very best customers. Bain & Company calls them promoters. And what we have found, now that we have done this for hundreds and even thousands of products, is we can take the average net promoter score of a company and boost it by 20 to 40% just by revolutionizing the experience that those consumers have with the assembly, setup, or maintenance. Your customers are far more likely to give you feedback and to maintain a connection with you as a brand if they can do it through one common channel. Most professionals are very good in a few products that they work on a regular basis. But how oftentimes do they come in and they're asked to work on a product that maybe they worked on a couple of years ago, or that's a very new product that they haven't received training on yet? That is why we create instructions that can be pushed to everyone on a mobile device, so they have what they need at the moment that they need it. BILT delivers these instructions in real time to the professional, and the entire focus, the goal here, is to make that professional an expert at everything that they are asked to do. If the end technician is successful, if they're installing things faster, if they are more capable in what they're doing, they become promoters of your brand as well. They can do it faster, the work that they do is more profitable, it is less likely that they'll have to be called back to do repairs or fix things that weren't installed correctly. When they become promoters of your brand, the distributor also is more profitable in their business. So as we focus on enabling the professional and making all of them more successful and faster at what they do, everyone wins in the process. Everyone wins.